In this video, I'll show you how you can create this smoke background in Ibispaint X. You can download the smoke background PSD file and the smoke brush QR code from the stock image link in the description. Please make sure to like the video and leave a comment to support the channel. Thank you. Here we are in Ibispaint X, and as you can see, we're going to edit this image. Check out the links in the description if you want to see how I turn Ben 10 aliens into real life. Now I've created a new layer and selected my custom smoke brush that I made. Let's pick a color for the smoke and slowly start painting on the background like this. Nice and easy. We don't want it at full opacity, so I've decreased the brush opacity. Once that's done, create a new layer above the subject and do the same thing. Cover the bottom area with smoke. Right now, the smoke looks flat. To add more depth, we're going to decrease the value and create a new layer, then paint like this. Repeat these steps multiple times, and each time make sure to use different values for the smoke. This brings more depth and makes it look less lifeless. Now we've got something. To make it look cool, let's add some lighting from the top. Create a new layer, change its blending mode to add, select the airbrush, and start painting the light from the top like this. If the glow doesn't look smooth, add a lens blur filter to it. Next, create a new layer, clip it, and use a hard edge brush to paint in some black shadows. Adjust the darkness as you like. I'm also going to make the background completely black. Now for rim lights, create a new layer, change its blending mode to add, and search for the hairbrush. There are different types. I'm going with the first one. Select white, because the lighting in this scene is white, and gently start painting rim lights along the edges of the subject. You'll see why I use the hairbrush. If you use an airbrush instead, the results won't be as good. Once you're done with that, paint some soft bounced light on the subject like this. I'm using an airbrush again, with the blending mode set to add. Always remember to adjust the opacity. Next, let's add some particles. Create a new layer, clip it to the bottom layer, and change the bottom layer's blending mode to screen. Use the airbrush, set the color to black, and start painting in some particles. And that's pretty much it. Finally, do some basic color grading in Lightroom. Since we don't have many colors here, it's mainly about adjusting lighting, contrast, and clarity. So I hope this video was helpful for you guys. Make sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video. Until then, bye.